Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making Ube Crinkles and Smoothie. First, we are making Ube Halaya jam. The ingredients are ube or taro or purple yam, cheese, condensed and evaporated milk, vanilla extract, and butter. At a medium heat, melt butter in a pan or pot. Add evaporated and condensed milk. Mix until incorporated, then simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add vanilla extract. Now add your ube or purple yam. I used cooked and frozen ube. You can also buy fresh ube. You can buy ube or purple yam in Asian or Filipino stores. Mixed until fully combined. This will take about 2 hours to cook. Mix every 15 minutes or so to make sure the ube doesn't stick at the bottom of the pan. Add ube extract 30 minutes before you turn off the heat, or until ube thickens. And you can add cheese at the same time. Set it aside for 30 minutes, then you can put it in the container or jar. You can keep this refrigerated for 5 days. Now we will be making Ube Crinkles. Add the melted butter into a bowl and add sugar and mix. Add egg, then mix. Add ube extract and ube jam, then mix. Add sifted all-purpose flour into wet ingredients, then add baking powder, then mix. Cover with cling wrap, then set aside for an hour or two. Sift powdered sugar into a baking pan. Scoop a spoonful 1 to 2 inch in diameter and drop into the powdered sugar. powdered sugar to thoroughly coat. Arrange at least 2 inches apart on a baking sheet. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Then transfer to a cooling rack. Now for the Ube Milkshake. Add ice cubes to your blender, 3 heaping teaspoons of ube jam, add your sugar and whole milk. Blend to your desired consistency. If it's too thick for your liking, you can add a little water. This type of desserts are usually served during the holidays. Ube Crinkles is also good with tea and coffee. Ube Halaya is also eaten by itself, or you can put in halo-halo, a popular Filipino dessert. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.